Welcome to this video. We'll take a closer look at how to request PFCG roles with manager approval by using Xiting Central Workflows, also known as XCW. In XCW, you can request PFCG roles or business roles. XCW also includes several approval steps. One of these is approval by the manager, which we will now look at in more detail. So, let's get started. First, open the XCW Role Assignment Request app from your Fiori Launchpad if you want to request roles for another user. There's also a self-service option for requesting your own roles. For detailed instructions, click the link and watch our video on how to request roles. In this video now, we'll go through the process a bit quicker. If the manager approval step is active, you'll see the responsible manager directly in the request form. After submitting the request, the manager is the first person to receive it for approval. To add a new role, click Add. This opens the Role Assignment Wizard, where you can request a new role for the user. First, select the system, then choose the role. Next, you can optionally define a validity period, and finally, you'll see a short summary of your selection. Attachments and comments are added as usual. Once everything looks good, click Send Request. This starts the workflow and sends the request to the manager for approval. The manager will also receive an email notification. Now, let's move on to the manager's approval step. In the work list, all open requests are displayed. By clicking on one of them, the approver will get a detailed view. Here, the manager can see information about the requester and the request itself. The requested role is also displayed. If risk analysis is active and a risk has been identified, the manager can also see the associated risk details. Any attached documents are visible as well. The manager can approve or reject the request. After this decision, the request moves on to the next approver, either the role owner or the risk owner. The requester will then receive an email notification about the update. Thank you for watching. Would you like to find out more about Xiting Central Workflows? Check out our video channel on our homepage or feel free to contact us. We will get back to you as soon as possible.